Hello, my name is Khalil. Today I'll be explaining a Java program that takes a number from the users and generates random characters. So the first line up here, this line imports the scanner class, which allows us to read user input through the console. Here we have the class, which is called main. This is where the entire Java program will be executed inside of this class right here. I'm just going to jump straight to the scanner object. So here we created a scanner object named scanner, which will let us read user input from the user. And then you have the parameter system.in, which means the input will come from the keyboard. Here we prompt the user a message asking for the user to enter a number between 1 and 5. And then we use, coming down here, we declare the in variable. So we use next.int right here, this method of the scanner to read an integer from the user and store it in a variable named in. And then now we have a if statement. Basically, this if statement checks if the user input is less than 1 or greater than 5. If it is less than 1 or greater than 5, they're going to get this message, which says, invalid input, please enter a number between 1 and 5. So that when you get this message, or when you get to this part of the code that it runs, you'll have to enter a number between 1 and 5, else you won't be able to execute the rest, or else it wouldn't execute the rest of the program. So coming down here, we print a message indicating that a random number, random characters are about to be generated, And now we have a for loop. Basically, this for loop will repeat the block of code inside of it n times. The loop starts at I equals 0 and runs until I is equal to n. And then this right here generates a random lowercase letter. And then it uses the math.random. What did I add the math.random? Oh yeah, here it is. It uses the math.random to generate any number, a number between 0 and 1, and then multiplying it by 26, which gives a number from 0 to 25. And then int basically converts the decimal number to an integer. Then adding an a right here, which shifts the number to the ASCII range for lowercase letters. The result is a random lowercase letter. And then I'm just going to go ahead and run it. Oh, I've already been running it while I was explaining it. So here it says enter a number 1 to 5. I'm going to enter 4. And then boom, 4 random letters print out. And then I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I'm going to enter 2. So I'm expecting 2 random letters to print out. N-O said no. That's funny. I'll do it one more time. I'm going to do 1 this time. And then boom, 1 random character printed out. And that is all.